Have you ever looked at a competitor's Etsy listing and wondered, why is their product getting hundreds of sales, while mine barely gets any views? In this video, you'll learn how to use EHunt to find competing listings, track their trends, and identify the differences. You'll have a simple competitor research workflow that can help you rank higher and sell more. Before researching competitors, you need to identify the core selling points of your products. In other words, what is the core keyword buyers would use to find your listing? Let's use this t-shirt as an example. A lot of sellers might describe it as funny dog shirt, but the strongest buyer intent keyword here is actually dachshund t-shirt. Identified your main keyword. Let's open EHunt and go to the Etsy product database. Now enter your keyword, dachshund t-shirt. To find products that are most similar to your listing's positioning, let's apply a few filters. First, set a price range that's similar to your own listing. This helps you find competitors targeting the same customer budget. Next, set the listing age filter to last 30 days. This is important because we want to find newer listings that Etsy is currently testing and promoting. After applying the filters, you'll get a list of products with the same core keywords, similar pricing, and recent listing dates. These are often your most valuable competitors. Now that we've identified our competitors, the next step is tracking them. Let's click on one of these high-performing listings. Inside the product detail page, you'll see an option called Add to Tracking. Click it, and EHunt will begin collecting data for that listing. The first update may take a few minutes. Once the tracking data is ready, you'll be able to monitor several important metrics, like sales trends, price changes, keyword rankings, and listing modification history. This is incredibly valuable because it lets you observe what successful sellers are testing in real time. Instead of guessing what works, you can learn directly from listings that are already gaining momentum. Finding competitors is useful. Tracking competitors is even better. But if you really want to improve your own listings, you need to understand exactly what's different. That's where EHunt product comparison comes in. Simply copy your Etsy listing URL, then copy the URL of a competitor listing. Paste both links into the comparison tool and click Compare. Within seconds, EHunt generates a side-by-side analysis. You can compare important elements such as listing titles, product images, pricing, shipping information, product descriptions, tags, and keywords. This makes it much easier to spot opportunities. For example, maybe your competitor is using stronger keywords in their title. Maybe their main image communicates the product benefits more clearly. Maybe they offer faster shipping. Or maybe their pricing strategy is attracting more buyers. The goal isn't to copy competitors. The goal is to identify gaps and improve your own listings. Small differences can have a huge impact on click-through rates, conversion rates, and search rankings. This competitor strategy helps you make data-driven decisions instead of relying on guesswork. If you're serious about improving your Etsy rankings and finding opportunities before your competitors do, give EHunt a try. I'll leave the link in the description below. That's all for today. See you next time.